Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to convert your Canva website to HTML. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your existing Canva website design that you want to convert. Once you have your design ready, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Publish Website. Go ahead and click on it to begin the publishing process. After clicking, Canva will prompt you to enter a website address. In the website address field, type the URL you want to use for your site. This is the web address where your site will be accessible online, so choose something memorable and relevant to your content. Once you've entered your desired website address, you'll see a Publish button appear on the screen. Click on it to proceed. Depending on your settings, Canva may display a final confirmation screen asking you to verify your publishing decision. If this happens, simply click Publish again to confirm and move forward with publishing your website. Now you'll need to wait a moment while Canva processes and publishes your website. This usually takes just a few seconds, but the time can vary depending on the size and complexity of your design. Once Canva finishes publishing, you'll see a button that says View Your Website. Click on this button to open your newly published website in your browser. With your published web page now open in front of you, it's time to save it as an HTML file. Right-click anywhere on the published web page to bring up your browser's context menu. From the menu that appears, select Save As. This will open a dialog box where you can choose how to save the page. In the Save As type field, look for an option that says Web Page Complete or something similar. If this option is available, select it. This setting ensures that not only the HTML file is saved, but also all the associated images, style sheets, and scripts that make your website function properly. It creates a complete package of your website. Next, type a file name in the appropriate field. Choose a descriptive name that will help you identify this file later, such as My Portfolio or Canva Website. Make sure the name is clear and easy to remember. Once you've named your file, click the Save button. Your browser will now download and save the complete web page to your computer, creating both an HTML file and a folder containing all the supporting files like images and CSS. After the download completes, open your File Explorer and navigate to where you saved the file. Check for the saved HTML file, which should have the name you chose followed by a .html extension. You'll also see a folder with the same name containing all the additional files your website needs to display correctly. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Canva website to HTML and saved it locally on your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.